In this video, I'll show you how to fix the message too long error in Claude AI. This error usually appears when your prompt, file, or chat history exceeds Claude's context limit. First, shorten your prompt by removing unnecessary details and keeping only the information Claude needs. If you're working with a large document, copy and paste only the relevant sections instead of the entire file. You can also split large inputs into smaller parts and send them one at a time. For example, send part 1, then part 2, and so on. If you've been chatting for a long time, start a new conversation and provide a brief summary of the previous discussion. This clears the old chat history and frees up space for new messages. You should also refresh Claude, sign out and back in, or update the app if you're using the mobile version. If you regularly work with large files, consider upgrading to a paid Claude plan, which offers larger context limits. And that's how you can fix the Claude AI message too long error. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials.